In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wish list to your WooCommerce store in WordPress. We're going to walk through the full setup process using a free wishlist plugin. So by the end of this tutorial, your customers will be able to save products to a wishlist directly from your store. This is a great feature for improving the shopping experience, especially for customers who want to come back later, compare items, or save products before making a purchase. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your website, including plugins, pages, and store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Plugins, and then click Add New. This will take you to the plugin library, where you can search for tools you want to add to your site. In the search bar, look for the free Wishlist plugin used in the tutorial. When you find it, click Install Now, and then wait a moment for WordPress to download it. After the installation is complete, click Activate. Activating the plugin is what makes it available on your website and unlocks its settings. Next, open the Wishlist plugin settings. Most plugins add a new menu item in the dashboard, or they may appear under WooCommerce settings depending on how the plugin is organized. Once you're in the settings area, look for the option to create or select the wishlist page. This page is where visitors will be able to view the items they've saved. If the plugin can create the page automatically, that's usually the easiest option. If the page already exists, simply select it from the list. After that, enable the Add to Wishlist button. This is the feature that places the wishlist option on your product pages so customers can actually use it. Once it's enabled, choose where the button should appear on product pages. For example, you may be able to place it near the Add to Cart button, before the product summary, or in another visible area. Try to choose a location that feels natural and easy for shoppers to notice. Then, customize the button text and appearance. This lets you match the button to your store's branding and make the wording clear for your audience. Keep the text simple and recognizable, and if appearance options are available, adjust them so the button stands out without clashing with your design. Finally, save the settings. After saving, it's a good idea to visit one of your product pages and check that the wishlist button appears correctly and works as expected. And that's it! Your WooCommerce wishlist feature is now set up and ready to use.